Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, I am showing you some simple tricks using which you can customize your desktop like a pro. Here I am showing you how you can give your desktop a minimal look. So without any delay, let's get started. In the first step, you have to remove the desktop shortcuts or you can hide them. For hiding them, right click on the home screen, then click on the show desktop icon. You can see the desktop icons are now hidden. Then the next step is customize the taskbar. For this, right click on the taskbar, then click on the search menu and select hidden. Disable the Katana button on the taskbar by unchecking the show Katana button. You can also hide the task view button by unchecking the show task view button. Now open the taskbar setting by right clicking on the taskbar. In the settings, enable use small taskbar buttons. Then we choose which icons appear on the taskbar. For this, scroll down and then click here. Then a new window appears. Here enable the useful ones and disable the others. You can also choose the required system icons from here. For hiding the taskbar icons, drag the icon into this. Now the next step is making the taskbar apps center align. To align the taskbar apps center, first unlock the taskbar. Then again right click on the taskbar and select the toolbar menu and then check the link here. You can see on the right hand side, link is written. Now drag the vertical bar left to the pinned apps towards the right hand. And then drag the bar slowly towards the center and make it center align. Right click on the taskbar, then uncheck the show title option on the top. Now you can hide the link bars by locking the taskbar. To making the taskbar more attractive, you have to install an application named Translation TV. It's an open source application which you can download from the official website, or you can install it from the Microsoft Store as well. Links are given in the description. Basically, it makes the taskbar transparent. Now open the installed application. On the right hand side of the taskbar, you can see an icon like this. Click on it and check the Open at Boot option. This helps you to open the Translation TV application on the startup. Then in the regular menu, check the Clear option. You can also choose other options as well. Now it's time to hide the taskbar. By hiding the taskbar, you can get a bigger working area or a bigger screen. For this, go to the taskbar settings, turn on automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. You can access or see the taskbar by putting the arrow on it. Now it's time to change the wallpaper. For some cool wallpaper, you can prefer a website named Unsplash, which is completely free. You can download high quality wallpapers from here. I have downloaded some wallpapers. Let me put on wallpaper from here. Links to these wallpapers are also given in the description. So friends, this is the final look. If you like the video, then hit the like button. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care, bye bye.